welcome to the Maldives. We're back.
This time for 3 months. We arrived late last night and today is our first full day in Mali and Hulu Mali. So first priority is breakfast.
Let's go. We are now at phase 1, which is right across the bridge from our Airbnb where we were phase 2. This place is called Bread Matters. I ordered some French toast. It came with some berries on top, whipped cream, and of course, cappuccino. Irina ordered some scrambled eggs with sausage. Just keep in mind, when we say sausage here in the Maldives, we're talking about hot dogs. Yes, that's what you're going to get.
I totally forgot about that. And when it came, I'm like, oh no, hot dogs.
Yes.
I will be eating a lot of those within the 3 months we're here. And the reason why we're here actually is because
we will be island hopping to over 30 plus islands while we are here in the 3 months.
On the budget, and of course we will share with you everything we know about budget travel in the Maldives. And if you want to know how to travel on the budget, we created Maldives budget travel guides and you can get it in the description below.
We just jumped into a taxi because it was getting late and we need to get to Airalo, which is where we're going to get our data plan. And as we told you before about our travel guide, we are now having a meeting in Mali with one of the resort owners, and we're looking to create something special for you guys, so stay tuned. All right, we are now here in Airalo. This is where we're going to get our SIM cards. This is the headquarters, and let's try to get the SIM card and get over to Mali, because again, we are in Hulu Mali. We are done. We just finished here at Airalo and check it out. Got the hat, we got the goodies, and most importantly, we have the SIM. So basically, we are now connected for the entire 3 months that we are here. Now,
3 phones.
yes, and now we have to catch a taxi because we have to head over to Mali for a meeting. See you in a bit. All right, 10 minutes later, $5 US, and we are here. Now we just have to source where is it to find this place for the meeting. And from here, we're gonna come out of the meeting and we're gonna tell you what it's all about. Our meeting was super successful. It was insane, the amount of information we got. The people we met were amazing. I'm not gonna give too much away, but if you watch our next upcoming videos, you're going to see what the meeting was all about. We got this from them. And this is an indication of what it's going to be about. We are super excited. Make sure you keep watching, subscribe, it's coming to you. Now we're on our way to someplace really cool. We're gonna take you to really cool people, and what we're about to have is gonna be amazing. If you guys know us, you know we're foodies. Hint, hint.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And we are here. We are here. Hello.
Hello. Oh, how are you? Thank you so much. What a surprise. So nice to meet you. Are you doing the quality test right now? Or that's your dinner?
We were just snacking.
You're just snacking. Okay, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Context.
Well, we are now at the Cheesecake Bar, and this beautiful lady, Niha, did you create this cheesecake?
Yeah, I actually like.
So you created the recipe, perfected it, and this cheesecake, let me tell you,
Bomb.
is the best we've ever tried. And we lived in New York. New York is known for New York cheesecake, but Niha made it way better than New York cheesecake, and we were craving it for several months. All right, let us give you a proper story how we even found out about this. 2 months ago, we were here in the Maldives for 2 months, and we were creating lots of TikTok stories and live streams. And ladies from the cheesecake bar reached out to us and invited us to come and sample their cheesecake. Unfortunately, because of our island hopping schedule, we weren't able to make it. But when we were on Razdu,
we decided to order an entire cheesecake, and it worked perfectly because while staying at Razdu, the hosts at Razdu Shallow Lagoon were amazing, and we were like, wow, how could we show them how much we appreciate them? And we said, oh my goodness, let's just reach out to the cheesecake bar and actually order a full cake here from Mali and send it all the way over to Razdu, and that's exactly what we did.
yeah, they baked a fresh cheesecake and they put it on a speedboat to send it to another island over an hour away from Mali. And from the first bite, we fell in love.
Yes, and so did everyone else on the island. It was so cool. Fast forward just 2 months and we're back again here in the Maldives, and we said we have to make it here.
And trust me when we tell you, this is the best cheesecake we've personally had. I keep telling you, Maldivian hospitality is on another
Notch.
level.
They rolled it out.
They made a romantic setting for us with a candle. They got us flowers. How
Amazing.
incredible is that?
And of course, top it off with the magic of the cheesecake.
Can we appreciate the amount of details? If you can see, how would you even call this? They engraved our social media name, Live in the Globe, on the flowers. They also welcome Live in the Globe. The amount of details is just incredible. And now they introduced a new feature. They are offering toppings for their cheesecake. Biscoff, they have several toppings, and this is hazelnut, so you can sprinkle some right on top of your cheesecake to make it extra.
Look at that. Woo! Taking it to a whole other level. If you love toppings, this is the way to go.
And this is the moment I've been waiting for.
Ooh.
Look at this. So when you come to the Maldives, you be sure to get some cheesecake. It's totally worth it. Surprises keep on coming. Now ladies got something else for us. Oh. Custom cake topper, Live in the Globe. So this is not just all the islands. So a few days ago, I created a TikTok video listing all the islands that we personally be visiting during our 3-month trip this time, and there are like over 30 islands. And they actually made the cake topper with specifically the islands that we will be visiting. Wow,
That's
thank
epic.
You so
That
much.
is so epic.
So mindful of you. Wow, this is amazing.
What?
Goodness. Wow. Thank you.
That is so cool.
I have to wear it
Look
right
at that.
now.
That's awesome. And it's the same islands that we're going to be visiting.
Yeah.
That is epic.
Represent. And for the
The large one for me.
Yeah. I have to wear
That's
it
awesome.
right now.
Oh, loving it. Yes. So epic.
Wow, I didn't even think of that, and you guys, look at this.
Wow.
I love it.
That's
Thank
so cool.
you.
Thank you guys. That's so nice. All right, so we just came from the Cheesecake Bar and we're here at Ooredoo. Now, the reason we're back here is because for some reason, the SIM card we have in our phone was giving us 3G.
It wasn't fully activated and it wasn't working properly, but they were able to fix it really fast. So now we are finally all set with our SIM cards and the service. The 3 places we went, we got gifts from everywhere.
Yes.
We absolutely love the Maldivian hospitality. It was a fun and eventful day for us. And tomorrow we are heading to another island.
Yes, and keep in mind, we will be streaming live every single day. So be sure to check out our live page, our live tab on our YouTube page. And we go live on TikTok, we go live on Facebook, we go live on what? Instagram. So choose your poison. We will be there. We will be live every day showing you the beauty from all the different islands, 30 plus islands in 3 months. You guys ready for this? Let's go.